Employers aren't legally required to conduct ethnicity pay gap reporting in the UK. Many leading organisations such as the NHS, Network Rail, Shell, Lloyds Banking Group and notable charities are voluntarily taking action. Just check their websites. The UK government provides a clear framework outlining crucial metrics to monitor should you wish to do this. These include the percentage of each ethnic group in each hourly pay quarter, the average ethnicity pay gap using hourly pay, the median ethnicity pay gap using hourly pay, percentages of employees in different ethnic groups within your organisation, and percentages of employees who did not disclose their ethnicity. And if your organisation provides bonuses, you can also track the percentage of each ethnic group receiving bonus pay, the average pay gap for bonus pay, and the median ethnicity pay gap for bonus pay. Our smart Excel template automates all these calculations, simplifying the process and providing clear insights into your organisation's pay gaps according to ethnicity. So whether you're a large corporation or a small business, our UK ethnicity pay gap calculator and reporting tool is your key to transparency and progress. Don't wait any longer, download your copy now and take the first steps towards a fairer future. You can find the links to the products in the transcript or details below this video.